What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Clever Engineer Tutorial, and today we will learn how to add images, audio and videos to our web page in HTML. If you do not know how to get started with HTML, kindly watch our previous video regarding that, and I have provided the link in the description. What's up? Inserting image can be achieved through the image tag or element, IMG. Please note that in HTML there are tags that require closing and there are tags that do not require closing, and the image tag do not require closing. The image tag or element has some attributes that we want to look out, and the first attribute is source. This source is where we are going to insert the path and the name of our image. And another attribute is alt, which is alternative, and in this alternative we can just write some names in case our image is not loaded, then it will be replaced by this alternative. So we can have image, okay, and in this source is where we are going to put the path of our image, including the name also. So let's look into our folder project, and we have an image to be paper. Now you notice that the file, the HTML file and the image, they are in the same path, so you just write the name of the image, paper, including the extension of the image dot. And you can see right here to the tab, the file tab is the extension, is JPG. Basically there are some types of file type of images. I have the JPG, PNG and JPEG. So whenever you are inserting image into the source, you need to include the file type of the image, whether it's JPG, PNG, JPEG, so on. So we save and then open our file. Okay, this is our image. So another thing we can do is to specify the dimension of our image. So we can set the width of our image to 300, and we can set the height of our image also to 200, and then refresh. Okay, you see it takes effect. Another thing we want to talk about is adding image from the internet. Okay, whenever you want to add image from the internet, all you need to do is to get the link of the image and then paste the link into the source, because the source is where we have to put the path of that image, including the image name. So once we paste the link of our image, including the name of the image, and refresh. Okay, there go our image. So now we said this alternative will show if, for an example, our image is not displaying. So we can let's intentionally do something here. Okay, that remove the file type and then refresh. Okay, so now our image is not displaying, but here we see the alternative image. So whenever we have a problem with the source, the text in the image will always display. Another insert The next thing we want to talk about is how to insert audio into our web page. And to achieve this, we firstly write the audio tag, and between the audio tag there is a tag called source. The source tag consists of two attributes. The first is src, which is source, and it is within the source that we need to put the path of our audio, including the name and extension of the audio. In this type, we can just define audio slash mp3. So let's see the name of our audio we have here, Survivor, and the type is mp3. So since our file and the audio are in the same path, you just write the name of the audio, survivor.mp3. And another important attribute that we need to write within the audio tag is the control. And this control provide means to play the audio, to pause the audio, and to increase the volume and reduce the volume of the audio also. So you just save and refresh. So this is our audio right here. We can play our audio.
It's flowlabura.com.
And we can reduce the volume of our audio. You can also pause. You can also pause the audio and play again. Okay. So if you have your audio on the internet, you can just copy the link of the audio and paste it right here like we did for the image, and you have your audio to display it on your web page. Okay, the next thing we want to talk about is inserting videos in our web page. And to achieve that, firstly write the video tag, and between the video tag you need to write another tag again, source. The same thing, the source is where we need to put the name and the path of our video, and the type we can just write video mp4 or the extension of the video that we want to do display. So let's check our folder again. We have a video KC and the extension is mp4. So kz.mp4. So you also need to write the control attributes in order to be able to control your video by playing, pausing, increasing the volume, reducing the volume, and so on. So once you have it done, just refresh. Okay, and this is our video. We can play it, and you can pause it, and you can reduce and increase the volume as well. Another attribute we want to talk about is the dimensional attributes. That is, we can set the width of our video 300 and height also 200. So this is our video. We have set our specified dimension of it. The last thing we want to talk about is how to insert a YouTube video into our web page. And to achieve this, simply write the iframe tag, and in the source of the iframe tag is where we are going to write the link of our video from YouTube. So let's just get some video link here from YouTube and then paste into our source. Now when you get your video link from YouTube, what you need to do is from the equal sign to the slash, you remove post slash, and between you write embed. So once you have it done, just go and refresh. Here is our video, so we can play our video from YouTube without going on the YouTube platform. Another thing we can also do is to set the dimension of our video. Let's set our width to 300 and height to 200. And once we refresh, our video will take the dimension that we specify. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, and if you haven't yet subscribed, I would appreciate that you do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified on every amazing video. Thank you so much.